How do you come up with new video ideas? Coming up with new video ideas can be a creative and sometimes challenging process. Whether you're a content creator on YouTube, a filmmaker, or just someone looking to share videos with friends and family, here are some tips to help you generate fresh video ideas. Understand your audience. Know your target audience's interests, preferences, and demographics. Consider what kind of content they are likely to engage with. Stay informed and inspired. Stay up to date with current events, trends, and popular topics within your niche. Follow relevant news, blogs, and social media accounts to find inspiration. Brainstorm. Dedicate time to brainstorming sessions. Write down all the ideas that come to mind, no matter how wild they may seem. You can refine and combine them later. Research and explore. Research your niche and see what content is currently trending. Explore what others are creating to identify gaps or areas where you can add value. Collaborate. Collaborate with other creators or experts in your field. They may bring fresh ideas and perspectives to the table. Repurpose content. Look at your existing content and see if you can repurpose it in a new and interesting way. For example, turning a blog post into a video or creating a video series. Solve problems. Identify common problems or questions in your niche and create videos that provide solutions or answers. Tell stories. People love stories. Share personal experiences, success stories, or narratives related to your niche. Conduct Q&A or AMA sessions. Engage with your audience by asking for their questions or conducting Ask Me Anything (AMA) sessions, and then create videos to answer those questions. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try new formats, styles, and content types. Experiment with different video lengths, editing techniques, and storytelling approaches. Take feedback seriously. Pay attention to comments and feedback from your audience. They may provide insights into what they want to see more of. Keep an idea journal. Carry a small notebook or use a note-taking app to jot down ideas as they come to you throughout the day. Trend analysis. Analyze popular search and social media trends to see if you can incorporate them into your content while staying relevant. Evergreen content. Create evergreen content that remains relevant over time, ensuring your videos continue to attract viewers. Stay passionate. Create content about subjects you are passionate about. Your enthusiasm will come through in your videos and engage your audience. Remember that not every idea will be a hit, and that's okay. The more you experiment and refine your content, the better you'll become at generating video ideas that resonate with your audience. Over time, you'll develop a deeper understanding of what works for your specific channel and brand.